model, 2010 Renault Master Lm35 2.5 DCI 100 ambulance ideal export no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 321839. Engine, 2464 cc DC-2G6B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Headgasket needs replacing, not pressurizing. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, aircon, wheelchair ramp, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description.